Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some Cartier unboxings. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please consider subscribing, smash that like button, and keep on watching. Today we're doing some Cartier birthday haul, part whatever. Got myself some more. I don't have any. Okay. That was really douchey. Cut. Jane, cut that. Okay. Anyway, so today we're doing the Cartier unboxing. I got two things for my birthday. The traditional things. You're gonna love them. So without further ado, let's get right into it, and I'll talk a little bit about the process and the store and how I love them and my essay and everything. And if there's more Cartier questions you guys have, I can tell you everything. I know everything about cleanings, about engravings, about polishings, about trying on things, about return policies, about your purchase history, how to not be intimidated when you go in, how to deal with the people, blah, 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 all that kind of stuff. So if you have any questions about Cartier in general or any questions about anything that I talk about in this video, please leave a comment below and I will respond to every comment, and I will make a follow-up video, and I'll make a follow-up video, and a follow-up video. Also, you guys, what do you think of my new birthday haul jacket? I know I need a haircut, so I'm wearing my hat. Edna mode. These are more Edna mode than the other ones. They're the ones that I normally wear. They're little rounder ones that I also got this year. They're very similar. Without further ado, let's get into the boxing. So let's do the big one first, because you know what? Yeah, let's do the big one first. Okay, so, I mean, come on. I got myself a present for my birthday. So I don't know if you guys know the history of... Actually, you know what? Let's open it first. The box. What else comes in here? We have little bits, which is the receipt. Tells you the exact amount and everything like that, and the sign. Well, that I'll show you later. Certificate of authentication. That's just like literally in a little Cartier envelope, and it states it, the date you bought it, the serial number, and like ensures that this is a piece that you got, blah, 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 and which store you got it from. It stamps the address of the store and all those kind of things. So like it tells you blah, 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 this is real, blah, date, bought, serial number, says Rodeo, Beverly Hills, yada, yada, yada. Wherever you get it from, it comes in this cute little booklet. Cartier there, and then it says Cartier there. Lots of Cartier. Very nice. Also, you can get this, you can get any of these things like embossed. You can get this box embossed. You can get the inside box embossed, like with it. I think you can get the pouches embossed too. This is a pouch that came with it. I wasn't supposed to go here yet, but it's a pouch and the pillow. We'll just cut to this later. And it's got two little things in there too for like keeping stuff. This is the travel pouch that comes with this item. So if you know what this is, you know what this is. Travel pouch, but you can get your initials or your name here. And then you can also get this. So without further ado, shall I bring it close? We'll open it together. So there's the box, and then they have, you know, one of these easy open things. So yeah, you can get your initials or your name put here if you want, or here. So it's got the easy access open. Shall we, my friends? Oh, that fell out. Okay, that is the screwdriver, but it is the Love bracelet in gold. I already have the one in rose gold right here, which is obviously I've been wearing for 2.5 years. So it's got a bunch of scratches and a little dull, but this one, I mean, full disclosure, I already started wearing it. So I put it back in the box just so you guys could see, just for the unboxing, but I have started wearing it. So it does have some scratches on it, but yes, it is still in like really shiny, beautiful condition, you know, up close. And this is the screwdriver to put it on and on. History of the Love bracelet. It's kind of like, you know, you get it for someone because you can't put it on yourself, although I've mastered putting it on myself, but you get it for someone and you screw it on, you know, declaring your like love to that person, and you screw it on with the screws on either side. It's got two screws, and then it can't come off. It's like screwed on, it's stuck on. It does get, I can do a review of this later. It does get scratched up. It does get dinged very easily. It's gonna scratch right away. Like even the inside, if you have hair in your hand, the inside is gonna get scratched from your hair. It's gonna get scratched from a towel. It's gonna get scratched in the shower. It's gonna get scratched from literally, it's it's gold, and it's so susceptible to scratches. But that's part of the wear and the love. You know, you're supposed to love it, your journey with the bracelet, blah, blah, blah. And also every 5 years you can get it polished and a layer taken off. It's $190. I think you can only do it twice, and they take a layer off and then it's fully clean again. All the scratches will be gone, but then they're just gonna come back in. So up to you. I like to actually wear, you know, sometimes where I wear these sweatbands when I'm doing things at home, or when I'm like, yeah, doing chores or anything where it could get dinged up, but at least protect it a little bit. I also have 3 of these little buddies, which are the Trinity Chord Love bracelet. Cartier with 3 rings, rose gold, white gold, yellow gold. So yeah, you can get this embossed. Beautiful. It kind of looks like, I mean, that's how it looks. It's got this little hook here to keep it in place, and then you kind of take this tab off to do that. That kind of holds it in place, and you know, and then on the inside we have, it says AU 750, which is gold, 750 out of 1,000. It has the serial number on one side, and on the other side it says Cartier, the serial number again, AU 750, and the size, and this is a size 18, which is my size. Same size size is this one. That's kind of what it looks like. Oh, beautiful, 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 beautiful. Yeah, that's kind of that. You can get it engraved with your name inside. You can get like in the gold if you want. I guess you can get this engraved. You can get it polished twice. You can get it cleaned whenever you want. Bring it in. They'll clean it, steam clean it. They'll tighten the screws. If the screws, there's any issues with the screws, they'll replace the screws. The screws are actually, I believe, aren't 100% gold, just like this. Is it 100% gold? I don't think. Although this is a new one. Mine doesn't have this. It says Cartier and AU 750 here on this little thing, which, so maybe they do like full gold now, because this used to be not, it used to be gold plated. My old one. Look at that, girl. This is the box for the other one, for the one that I'm wearing. Not a rose gold one. Oh, where is my little thing? My screwdriver's not in here. That's curious. I don't know where a screwdriver is, so I can't show you, but this is the new one. It has this writing on it. Mine does not have this. Mine is 2.5 years old. So I got this as to myself, as a love to myself, for a 1 year mark, for 1 year of sobriety for myself, as a love to myself for being sober for a year, which is, I can talk a whole thing about that later, but I'm sober. And so every year I get myself, at my year mark, I get myself something. So 2020, I got myself a love bracelet at the end of the year. 2021, I got myself an AP watch. At the end of this year, I think I'm gonna get the Clash de Cartier bracelet or the Ecru, or I'm gonna get myself another bracelet. And every year I'm getting myself something, like a nice present at the end of the year to help keep me sober, to remind myself I'm sober, and to love myself, and also just like, it's just like, you know, it's like it has meaning to me, because I'm single, I'm not dating anyone, so like obviously this isn't like a love bracelet from someone, it's just a love bracelet to myself, to love myself, and also to acknowledge my accomplishment and my year mark, and to always remember that, and to always keep me on track. Okay, so you can have them put it on for you if you need. Also comes with this cleaning kit, although they're always out of cleaning kits, but it's a cute little cleaning kit with instructions. It's got spray, cloth, and a brush to help clean and polish it. Highly recommend this. It's good for like in between cleanings. All right, second unboxing, smaller box, smaller bag, smaller box. Certificate again, same shit, different thing. Box, same box. Voila! Yes, I got myself another one of these Trinity bracelets because I just love them. And they're so cute and they're so versatile. I love the Trinity bracelet. It's a Chord bracelet. It's silk, so you can use it in the shower. You can wear it all the time. You never have to take it off. It's three little, it's like this, just like this. You can change the color whenever you want. You can go in for cleaning and change it whenever you want. But it's so nice and just simple and elegant and understated. See how shiny it is right now? This one, these are dull, shiny, dull. But yeah, I mean, there's not much more I can say about this. It's great. It's beautiful. I will put these on later. I don't want to put them on right now because I haven't decided if I want to wear everything all together or if I want to start swapping. So doing just like a separate look with these two, or like maybe on the other arm, or I don't know how I want to wear it yet. So I don't want to like put them next to each other and like ching it. I did wear the gold one already, the gold love bracelet by itself for a while on my birthday and stuff. Yeah, we'll see. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you appreciated that. If you have any questions about Cartier, please let me know. Please in the comments below. I can talk to you about everything, the process, shopping online, going to the store, making an appointment, dealing with after sales, dealing with everything, like dealing with shopping around there, everything like that. Everything you need to know about Cartier, I am here for you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please give it a like. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm happy to answer all the questions. If you like this video, please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, please share with your enemies and bosses. And I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious, so I appreciate you spending your time here with me. Thank you guys so much. Until the next one, bye-bye.